Hey everyone. I thought maybe a video would be helpful, and Richard pressured me into making a video. Just kidding, Richard. So I wanted to show y'all an idea I had as we're formulating to making our appointments through Starfish, something that we probably need to be doing in the next week or two. And I don't know if we have a general studies meeting, so I thought this may be helpful to explain what I'm thinking. This is from a lot of ideas, Camille and Richard, Diego, Lisa. So if we're into Starfish and we usually go to this schedule, what if we went to day view and then available only? If you do available only and then you select all, it will bring up appointments just for that day. And if we look at something like the 23rd, I really like this all appointment types, and then some folks will put virtual in there as well. This naming convention here is not seen by the student. Diego and I tested that a few times. But this may be the way to go, where you can see easily virtual, all, or we could even name it face-to-face. But I think if we go short and simple, again, use available only, select all, and day view, then when the students call us and say, hey, I want something for the 25th, we can see what's available, and we can see. So in that sense, you can set up your office hours just like you normally do. You can set them up for 9 to 5, whatever you like. But if we can come up with a common theme, and I'm thinking just virtual only or all, that would be super easy, or even face-to-face. That part we can decide, but let me know what you think. Hopefully this is helpful to describe what I'm thinking going into fall. Thanks.